Hello, friends. I have a question for you. Why do you work? Do you work to buy food? Do you work to buy a house? Do you work to become rich? Many people think, if I have $1 million, I will be happy. I will relax. So we run, like a hamster on a wheel. But do we need $1 million to be happy? Today's story takes place on a small, beautiful island. The sun is hot, the water is clear, the coconuts are sweet. Let's go there now. One day, a small boat arrived at the island. A man stepped off the boat. His name was Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone was a very rich businessman from New York City. He wore an expensive suit, even on the beach. He wore a gold watch, and he had a cell phone glued to his ear. "Sell, buy, no, tell him I said no," shouted Mr. Stone. He was on vacation, but he was not relaxing. His face was red, his shoulders were tight, he was stressed. He walked up and down the pier. Click-clack, click-clack. He was looking for a signal for his phone. At the end of the pier, there was a small fishing boat. Inside the boat was a local fisherman named Mateo. Mateo was very different from Mr. Stone. Mateo wore an old t-shirt and shorts. He had no shoes. He was lying in his boat, humming a song. Beside him, there was a bucket with 3 large yellow tuna fish. Mr. Stone looked at his gold watch. It was only 11 a.m. "Excuse me," shouted Mr. Stone. Mateo looked up and smiled. "Hola, señor." Mr. Stone pointed at the fish. "Those are beautiful fish," he said. "How long did it take you to catch them?" "Oh," said Mateo, "maybe 2 hours." Mr. Stone was confused. "2 hours?" he asked. "It is only 11 a.m. Why did you stop? Why don't you stay out longer and catch more fish?" Mateo laughed gently. "Why?" asked Mateo. "I have enough. I have 3 fish. 1 is for my family to eat tonight, 1 is for my friend, and 1 is to sell at the market to buy some rice and wine. I don't need more." Mr. Stone shook his head. "You don't understand business," he said. "What do you do with the rest of your time?" Mateo sat up, and he counted on his fingers. "Well," said Mateo, "I sleep late, I fish a little bit, I play with my children. In the afternoon, I take a siesta, a nap, with my wife. In the evening, I walk to the village, I drink wine, I play the guitar with my friends, and we look at the stars." Mateo smiled. "It is a busy life, señor, a full life." Mr. Stone laughed. It was a loud, arrogant laugh. "Oh, my friend," said Mr. Stone, "you are making a mistake. You are lazy. Listen to me. I have an MBA from Harvard University. I know about business. I can help you." Mateo looked curious. "How can you help me?" "Okay," said Mr. Stone. "Here is the plan. Step 1. You must fish longer. Don't work 2 hours, work 10 hours. If you work 10 hours, you will catch 30 fish, not 3. Then you sell the fish, you make money. Step 2, with the money, you buy a bigger boat, a motorboat. With a motorboat, you can go into deep water. You catch more fish. Then you make more money. Step 3, You buy 2 boats, then 10, then 20 boats. You hire other people to fish for you. You become the boss. Mateo listened, and he asked, "And then?" Mr. Stone was excited now. He was waving his hands. Step 4, you don't sell fish to the market. No, you build a factory. You put the fish in cans, you sell to the supermarkets. You control the product. You control the distribution. And then, continued Mr. Stone, you leave this small island. You move to the big city, maybe Mexico City, then Los Angeles, then New York City. You sit in a big office in a skyscraper. You wear a suit like me. You manage your empire. Mateo looked a little dizzy. "That sounds like a lot of work," he said.
"How long will this take?" Mr. Stone calculated in his head. "If you work hard, very hard, maybe 15 or 20 years. 20 years? Asked Mateo. And then what? Mr. Stone laughed. That is the best part. When the time is right, you do an IPO. You sell your company to the public. You sell your stock. You will make millions. You will be rich, richer than a king. Mateo scratched his head. Millions, he whispered. Okay, so after 20 years, I have millions of dollars. Then what do I do? Mr. Stone paused. He smiled a dreamy smile. Ah, said Mr. Stone, then you can retire. You can move to a small, beautiful island. You can sleep late. You can fish a little bit. You can play with your grandchildren. You can take a nap with your wife. And in the evenings, you can drink wine and play the guitar with your friends. Mr. Stone finished speaking. He looked at Mateo. Mateo looked at Mr. Stone. There was a long silence. The only sound was the ocean. Shh, shh. Mateo smiled. But, Senor, said Mateo, I am doing that right now. Mr. Stone stopped. His mouth opened, but no words came out. He looked at the fisherman. He looked at the simple boat. He looked at the happy face of Mateo. Mr. Stone realized something terrible. He was working hard for 20 years to get the life that Mateo already had. He was running in a circle. Mr. Stone looked at his gold watch. It seemed heavy. He looked at his cell phone. It seemed stupid. You are right, whispered Mr. Stone. Mateo handed Mr. Stone a fresh fish. Here, said Mateo, a gift for your dinner. Don't worry about business today. Watch the sunset. Mateo pushed his boat onto the sand and walked home to his family. Mr. Stone sat on the pier. He took his phone and he turned it off. My friends, this is a funny story, but it is serious too. Ambition is good. Working hard is good. But ask yourself, what is the goal? Are you working to live or are you living to work? Don't wait 20 years to be happy. Don't wait until you have $1 million to relax. Happiness is not in the future. Happiness is right now. It is a cup of tea. It is a walk in the park. It is playing with your kids. Don't be like Mr. Stone. Be like Mateo. Catch your fish and enjoy your life. Thank you for listening to The Rich Man and the Happy Fisherman. I am going to take a nap now. Goodbye.